subject? Yes, of class 3. Right, children? In the previous video, I explained you the chapter sharing our feelings. Now we are going to learn choose the correct, fill in the blanks, match the following and write the wrong. Okay, so we will start. See, take out your workbook first of all. Have you opened, children? Yes. Take out page number 105. Have you opened? Yes. Now see here. Question number 1. Choose the correct answers. Right? See, children. First number. What does Seema's father read aloud for her nanny? What does Seema's father read aloud for her nanny? नानी के लिए सीमा के पापा क्या पढ़ते थे? You know that Seema's nanny is not able to hear properly, right? So Seema's father reads newspaper aloud for her nanny, right? See here, A is story, B is poem, C is newspaper and D is some articles. So your answer will be C, the newspaper. You will underline here on the newspaper and then here one box is given to you, right? Here in the box you will write C. Understood? See, I have written here C and the newspaper. Understood? Now see number 2. What does Ravi Bhaiya use while walking? You know that Ravi Bhaiya is not able to see, right, children? So you know that if blind people cannot see, they carry a stick. First they put a stick, then they walk, right? I explained you in the chapter. Because to know if something is there on the floor or not. Yes or no? So Ravi Bhaiya also carries a white stick. Do you remember, children, the story? Yes. Now see, a honey stick, a white stick, bamboo stick or crook stick. So which stick Ravi Bhaiya took? He carries a white stick. So your option is B, which you will write in the box. And you will underline on a white stick. Understood, children? Now see, third number. Which script is used for the people who cannot see? Children, you know that blind people cannot see. I have explained before you also. They cannot see but they can read also like us, but with a different script. They cannot read and write like us, but they can study. Yes? So children, do you remember how they can study or how they can read? Yes, say Braille script. Yes, they can study by Braille script, right? See here, option is there. Brahmi script, Hindi script, common script or Braille script. By which script they can study? They can study by Braille script. You know, you remember that raised dots by moving fingers they can study, okay, on raised dots. On how many, number 4, on how many dots is the Braille script best? I have explained you in the children, in the before video that they can read by Braille script, right? And I have explained you the Braille script also. You remember that dots, but you can see that dots are not more than 6. Yes or no, children? You saw, na? So here your answer will be A, 6. Okay. Now see number 5. Who was the creator of the Braille script? So children, who was the creator of the Braille script? Creator means बनाना. Okay. तो Braille script किसने बनाई है? बताओ. Louis Braille. Yes or no? He hurt the tool in his eyes. Do you remember the children? Yes. He hurt the tools in his eyes. Then he kept finding the way that how he can study. Yes. So then he found a way of making that he can study by a Braille script. Yes, then he made a Braille script. So उसने Braille script को बनाया ताकि और लोग जो blind हैं वो भी study कर सके. So see your option: James Watt, Darwin, Bacon Place, and D is Louis Braille. So who invented? Louis Braille invented. Yes. So D. You write in the box and then Louis Braille. You will underline. Understood, children, up to here? Yes. Now we will move further with our fill in the blanks. See number 1. The Braille script is based on dash. So on what Braille script is based, children? How we can say dots. Understood? So here you will write dots. Understood, children? Now see number 2. Louis Braille invented dash. What Louis Braille invented, children? Here you learn. Creator of the Braille script, Louis Braille, right? So Louis Braille invented what? Braille script, yes? So here you will write Braille script. Okay, children? Now see number 3. Seema was selected for the dash. So Seema was selected for, tell me, football team, right? So here you will write football team. Okay, children? Now see, the dash script is read by running one's finger on the raised dots. So children, which script we can read by running our fingers on the dots? You remember no, that Braille script has dots and we can learn it by moving fingers. Okay. So here we can learn by what we can learn? By raising our fingers on the dots. We can learn Braille script. So here you will write Braille. Understood, children? Okay. Now see number 5. Nowadays Braille can even be written with the help of dash. So children, how we can read a Braille script nowadays? We can also read it by computer. Yes. So here you will write computer. Okay, children. Did you understand up till here? Yes. Now see question number 3. Put a right mark in front of the statements that are true and wrong in front of the statements that are false. Means you have to take a right mark on the statement which is true and wrong mark on the statement which is false. Okay, here box are given to you on the number C. Number 1 के सामने एक बॉक्स होगा, जो आंसर राइट है वहां पे राइट करोगे, जो रॉन्ग है वहां पे रॉन्ग करोगे. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ सी, Seema's Nani cannot hear well, so the newspaper has to be read aloud. Yes or no, children? You remember the chapter? Seema Nani cannot hear, right? So newspaper has to be read aloud. Okay. So it is right or wrong? Right. Yes. Ravi Bhaiya teaches children in a school. Tell me, children, this sentence is true or false? It is true. False, right? Because why it is false? Because Ravi Bhaiya teaches children of college. Yes, very good. So what it is given here? School. No. So it is wrong. Okay. A blind person can recognize a person as soon as he or she sees the person. Okay. So children, can blind people can recognize as soon as they see? They cannot see only. So here it is wrong. Okay, children. They can recognize person by their voice or by their movement. Okay. Now see number 4. Fingers are used to read the Braille script. Yes or no, children? Yes. So here you will take right mark. Now see on page number 106, question number 5. We can recognize all the things only by touching or feeling them. Is it that so? We can recognize things only by touching or feeling? No, we can recognize also by seeing. Okay. So here wrong. There are special schools for blind children. Yes or no, children? There are special schools? Yes. I told you now, blind people can also study by Braille script. So they cannot come to the school like us. They have a special schools which have their teachers taught them Braille script, right? So they can learn by that. Okay. Now see number 7. For old people, the stick is as useful as their leg. You know that old people cannot walk properly, right? So they also use a stick. So by that they can walk properly. So it is as useful as their leg. Yes or no, children? Yes. So we will take here right mark. Now see, match the following. Here you have to match the columns appropriately, right? With 1 A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So number 1, the Braille script. The script that the blind read. Okay. Braille script is the script that the blind read. So number C. Here you will write C because 1 is matched by the C. Now see, tape recorder. So tape recorder, tell me the answer. Here comes A. Ravi bhaiya, listen and learn. Okay. Now see, Ravi bhaiya teaches in a college. So here you will write A. Now see number 4, Seema. Seema plays football, right? So here you will write B. Understood, children? Do you understood all these things? Yes. So we will meet in next video. Till that, bye-bye.